in a train to Amsterdam station. I'm very excited. I'll take you guys along with me. So as you can see, I'm here already. That's the Amsterdam Central Station right behind me. And I got like an hour of peaceful time on a train looking at beautiful sceneries. And moms, if you know what I'm talking about 1 hour of peaceful time all by yourself, make sure to hit that like button and let's go. So today I had decided like I will spend my day off exploring the streets of Amsterdam. So the first place today that we are going to visit is the Pancakes Bakery, because Dutch pancakes are different from the regular pancakes. That's what one of my colleagues at my work said, and obviously I had to try it out. That was a really nice pancake. There it was, by the way. But it has definitely given me quite a bit of sugar high. And my next stop was actually to have this apple pie in this Winkle Cafe. But I'm not going to do that because I don't know what will happen if I have more sugar. So right now I'm just going to stroll around the streets of Negenstraat, if I'm saying that correctly. And yeah, enjoy my time here. I've been walking for quite some time now and I think I'm ready for my next sugar high. These are very famous cookies, chocolate cookies that you get here, and they are made fresh. Let's go. There is actually a double queue for this cookie. I have never stayed in line for food before this anytime, but this cookie is actually really nice, so let's see. It's good. Definitely lives up to the hype, but I think it is more because it is freshly made. There is a batch going in the oven all the time, and in fact they have like a maximum of 8 cookies only per person because they are that nice and they want to serve all the customers. So yeah, really nice. Please try out when you're in Amsterdam. So that was the vegan, I'm thinking about food and talking vegan. So that was the Bloemenmarkt. So that is like the flower market. And now I really need something savory because it's been a lot of sugar since morning. And I'm walking to this place called as Vegan Food Bar or Vegan Junk Food Bar, where they have a variety of vegan food and some special combinations, like I don't know, I can't think straight because I'm so hungry and it's so sunny. So I'm going there and we'll now have a proper lunch which will not include anything sugary. lunch. It was quite a filling meal because it was croquettes, which I like, and it was burger, which I like. So it was croquette in a burger, which was even more amazing. So I want to visit this market, Albert Quip Market, if I'm saying it correctly, and it closes at 5 actually, but I just wanted to make sure that I reach there on time and just explore the market before I head back home. As you can see, I'm right in the Amsterdam central area. I went to Albert Cup Market, but it was not as happening as I would have imagined. But then that's again because I'm coming on a weekday. Even on a weekday, there are so many people here. But yeah, now I am walking back to the railway station.